and at the end she also succeed all the 3 tests and which given by the fawn. But at the end, final scene, she disobey the pottery powers given by the fawn, and the fawn also disappear. But she used the self-sacrifice for her innocent blood she used her own power to create her pathway to the undergrounds to meet her father and her mother. And at the end, she represents a dawn of the darkness inside the movie. And she is an innocent girl from this whole thing, and it's important to show the graphic displays of violence in this film, like the Rita beat the farmer until death. It's show the extreme violence because it's not a normal normal children films, like not like fairy tales like Alice in Wonderland. It's not like this. It show about more the reality world on the war and the cruelty world, and reflect that time how the people sacrifice their life in the Civic War. And she's and that's all.